Hey guys, and welcome to yet another episode of the Almighty Podcast. This is the Holi special, and this was made in collaboration with the Rotaract Club Manipal. We have people from the Rotaract Club come in and talk about their Holi experiences. So we have people from first year, second year, third year, and fourth year. So all the point of views are represented. Hope you guys enjoy this podcast, and please make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you do. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, guys, welcome to the most sought after segment of this Holi special between Rotaract and Almighty. So, this time we have a couple of fourth years, the people with the most experience in Manipal right now with regards to Holi. So, we have Joel with us and we have Soumya. Joel is a fourth year automobile engineering student, and Soumya is from ECE. So, my branch basically. So, Joel, Soumya, thank you very much for coming on the podcast. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Thanks
For
for
having
having us
us.
here. It's really nice opportunity to interact with you guys and share our experiences.
Very, very formal, sir. All right. And Soumya, what about you? How's it going nowadays?
I'm in Bangalore, dude. It's so chill here.
Yeah,
Weekends are amazing. Finally, we are realizing the importance of weekends here.
sir,
We
please
You're
need
don't
to
asking the
work.
wrong questions to her.
please don't talk about
You'll just
weekend
make
to
us
us.
feel more sad.
Yeah, we are in
Okay, okay,
entertainment right
fine.
now. हमारे यहाँ बहुत
It's
positive माहौल
fine.
है.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
positive.
So, in general, guys, so in your 3 years of celebrating Holi in Manipal, what is the wildest or craziest shit you have done so far?
Honestly, in my first year when I came here, I didn't actually know that, Holy people actually tear t-shirts here. So I'd worn this like pretty expensive Puma like shirt because that's the only jersey t-shirt because that's the only jersey I had, which I knew that I can wash and all the stains would come off easily. But then that landed up being torn
Oh
apart
no.
and it's gone into the dustbin. I got a lot of shoutings from my parents
Did
like,
anyone throw
dude,
you in
that
the
was an
pool?
expensive. No, dude, I'm massive. I'm huge as
I got thrown number of times. That is the best part
I
of the
throw people.
celebration, I feel.
The best
But
thing about me is
Yeah.
I throw people. I pick them up and I throw them in
people
there.
were like,
Yeah,
Joel
I've
was
been
the
on the
reason
other
why I was
side.
swimming in the pool for most of the time.
Uh, Possible. And one of the reasons why they were, probably sleeping in the mud and all mud over them
Yeah, yeah.
because these pool of water around these pools, they like
They're very
attract a lot of
muddy.
dirt,
Yeah.
mud, very mucky, and then we
Very.
just use that. We get organic. We don't use chemical colors. We just use mud.
What about you, Soumya? Or what is some wild shit you've done during college Holi?
Nothing, yeah, and like nothing so in particular. Like I used to say, yeah, Holi is my favorite festival while growing up. So I was not very sure कि college में कैसा होगा, but surprisingly it was so good.
Hmm.
There was music, dance, um, then throwing each other in pools,
Mud.
mud everywhere. Yeah, and then
Hmm.
you'd all go out eat. It
Yeah.
was fun.
T-shirt should not exist, dude. T-shirt should be like finished.
Exactly, dude. Color right on your entire torso. That's holy.
Color should not come out for like 2-3 days as well.
Yeah, we used to go
Exactly. That's
next
what
day to
used to
class, our
happen.
face and hands, everything would be red.
And what about professors? Didn't they say anything when they saw you guys look so colorful?
No, they used to actually say that we enjoyed our Holi. Some professors used to actually also come to play Holi with us on the ground. Like director used to come for some time. We
Yeah.
actually had like professors coming.
Okay. And they also used to do that wild stuff or like just thoda sa color फेंक
No,
दिया.
no, 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 no. It was like pretty simple, like little bit on the cheek here and there, and that's it done. They used to come in like formals and well dressed attire.
Oh
So
wow.
we can't actually go ripping their shirts apart.
जिस जिसको F grade नहीं चाहिए वो professors मत छो भाई.
We don't want to get rusticated.
Yeah.
Directors there.
It's probably better to stay in college for a while.
Exactly.
Nice,
No,
nice.
we don't want any incidents on our SLCM portal.
So, like, let me ask you guys, like, your people from your batch, they're all over the country right now, right? And some abroad doing their internships and stuff. So, do you guys have any plans of virtually celebrating Holi or something along those lines?
Not a bad idea, yeah.
Wait, did I
I
ask?
Virtual
mean,
Holi. I never thought
yeah,
of it.
it sounds good though, but then I mean, after spending the last 3 years here with physical Holi, which we've been having, I mean, it just kills the vibe. I mean, it can. I mean, for me, it might as well be like just another day and carry on with things.
Yeah, Holi is all about meeting everyone and having fun together.
But then it's about the
I
people,
don't know.
right? तो अगर लोग मिल रहे हैं तो फिर
Yes.
क्या ही है? Not like we
हाँ,
can.
ठीक है. You can you can video call and
We saw what
I
happened when
mean,
people
yeah.
went out and partied in Manipal.
I mean, yeah. So I mean, things can get very worse, if we do it physically. So,
Yeah.
by the way, I feel awkward. So let's bring it on.
Oh
I mean, I'm
damn.
the only one
oh.
without specs. So,
Yeah, FOMO हो रहा है.
hmm.
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं. All right, guys. Thank you very much for coming on the Almighty
Yeah,
podcast.
most welcome.
Yeah, can you
Thank
guys
you.
quickly
Thank you
wish
for having
our
us.
audience a very happy Holi?
Happy Holi, guys. Soumya.
Yeah.
Okay, happy Holi, everyone.
Happy Holi, guys.
Happy Holi, everyone.
Great, great. All right, guys. Did you enjoy your time in the Almighty podcast?
Yeah, of course. It was
It was
like
lovely. Yes.
very, yeah, I mean,
Nice.
good to, relive the moments we had in Manipal, especially Holi and supplies, which we were speaking about.
All right, then. Bye. All right, guys, and welcome to the third year wala segment of the the Rotract Almighty Holi special. So to discuss a little bit more about Holi in third year and their experience with Holi in Manipal, we have Oshin and Priyasha with us from third year. Oshin is from MIT and Priyasha is from MIC. And Adit will be joining us once again as a co-host क्योंकि उसके पास कुछ करने को नहीं है. So, Oshin, Priyasha, over to you guys. What's up? What's new?
Apart from COVID cases, nothing much. Life is quite peaceful.
Is it? Are you sure?
Hopefully, it's a hope.
Bro, it feels
Hope is a deadly thing.
it feels like Thanos snapped his finger or something, dude. Half of the people I know are positive. There's no one to hang out with in the hostel right now.
Yeah,
Aranjay,
it was so bad.
did you want to say
bro.
more than half of the people?
No, I didn't want to say.
Didn't
Good
you
job.
say you didn't have a social life? Like,
All right, so guys, let's stop the depressing topic once more and let's move on to Holi. So, guys, tell me, 2 Holies in Manipal you guys have had. Best, craziest shit you've done.
Oh, okay. So
I can see the
okay, you
spark
go
in
back.
her eyes.
I know, like, Priyasha's eyes are like,
I haven't actually done a lot Holi May, but was the question based in Manipal or like in general?
I mean,
Mostly Manipal, but in general, I guess.
general भी जो बोलना है
So
वो
Manipal mein, yeah, so Manipal mein what happened was in my first year, I didn't want to play Holi because I don't know, like I was 20 or something, so I was like, बच्चों का काम है, मुझे नहीं खेलना, and all that shit. And then my friends just called me, they were like,
Oh,
कुछ नहीं होगा, गुलाल लगाएंगे बस, सिर्फ गुलाल लगाएंगे, कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. And I went, so it was on the football ground, and there were like people going crazy, they were going mad. Like I think दरवाजे में खड़े होके सिर्फ बाल्टियों पकड़ के they were just throwing at random people. And I entered and they just threw it at me. Like पूरा बाल्टी में क्या था, कीचड़ था. Like मैं पूरा साफ सुथरा आई थी, I just like घुसते ही, they were random people. And then as soon as my friends saw me, they just उठाया मुझे and they just threw me in the कीचड़. And yeah, my eyes shut, I couldn't see anything, I couldn't breathe because I was just thrown into the kitchen there. And yeah, that's what's happened to me.
Welcome to
And
Manipal.
yeah, yeah,
I mean, what else were you
the
expecting?
most yeah, and one of these times, like outside of Manipal, I just came out of my house. This happens to me a lot, okay? So just random people threw colors at me, on me. I mean, it was so bad.
And the
And when we were kids, we would just
the worst part is that they after like like assaulting you, they're like बुरा ना मानो होली है. I'm like bro, मैं बुरा मानेगा.
Oh, that's the worst, bro.
मेरे को बुरा
Come
मानना
on.
है.
Not an valid excuse anymore.
Yeah,
We
dude,
live
it's
in the
horrible.
21st century.
It's horrible, dude. It's
yeah.
horrible. I'm like, guys, listen to me. मैं बुरा मान रहा हूँ. So yeah. So what about you, Priyasha? You've been dying to like just बताना है.
So the thing is, I had similar kind of experiences like Oshin, but mine weren't so morose. Mine was pretty fun. So I have always been excited about Holi because back at my place, I used to play Holi with my colony friends or my school friends, and we used to play with water, colors. You had permanent colors and things like that. So I was pretty
Jamshedpur
excited
represent,
about
guys.
Holi.
Jamshedpur represent.
So,
Basically,
yes,
professional holy
Jamshedpur
player.
Yeah.
I mean, professional kids level Holi player. So we
Okay.
came to Manipal and we were very excited about Holi. So I went to the MIT football grounds with my friend. That's where the Holi celebrations usually take place. Okay. And at first, it's very simple. Okay. Everybody is playing with abir and they're playing with water. And it's like just the way we do it back in school. But then slowly, so you have your normal Holi going on. And then slowly, the colors start running out. And that's when things start getting crazier. People start mixing mud in the water, and that's how the creature was born. They start mixing eggs, and then I don't know, grass, milk, what not, shit
Tomatoes.
went into it. And whosoever was the one who was like shying away, like nahi lagao, sabse pehle usko dunk karte the.
See,
I remember one of my friends, okay, she wore white. Okay, she's from Singapore, okay, and she wore white. And she came, like, she's from MIT, okay, and she came. And she was like, bro, ऐसे थोड़ी होली खेलते हैं, ऐसे थोड़ी करते हैं. Everybody just picked her up and put her in that कीचड़ वाला tub, and her white kurta was gone.
Dude,
F in the chat for her.
It has been like
Bro, but it was so fun.
the thing is she like
That person looked clean. Sorry.
so
Yeah,
what I'm
correct.
saying is, guys, if you've played Holi in Manipal, then you shouldn't be worried about what's in the vaccine.
if you're playing Holi in Manipal, know one thing. Once you're entering, it is ground. Yeah.
Where did you I remember last thing was Priyasha was fangirling about throwing people in the mud.
I was not
Oh,
fangirl.
that's a long
It's
time
really
ago.
fun. If you throw other people in the mud, then you are not thrown in the mud. So push other people, save yourself.
नहीं जो अंदर जाता है ना वो वापस बोलता है कि इसको भी डालो, इसने भी नहीं करा ना.
हाँ, लेकिन तब तक तुम किसी और बकरे को पकड़ लेते हो ना, and that दूसरा बकरा is much more attractive than me.
I used to do
देखो,
Or like,
हाँ,
yeah, I would do this a lot. Like as soon as they would dip me na, I'd just be like कि वो भी वो देखो कितना साफ सुथरा खड़ा, he's dried out up, उसको डालो. It's a very good technique. I use it a lot.
MIT ground is full of chugli that day.
Yeah.
Oh god, MIT ground was wild. And if your t-shirt, if you're a guy and your t-shirt is like intact, that's a flex. So like,
Yeah.
let me ask you, what do you guys miss the most from your Holi apart from like just assaulting people in mud?
Simply that. Yeah, I do miss that a lot. Just a lot of people in a place, without any fear or anything. I guess that's what I miss. And just like the thrill of it, like, the next day's Holi and you're like, acha, tel lagana hai aur ye jana hai. And then you're all going in groups and then you just go there and you're like, okay, this is my college life. It's so nice and all that. Yeah, I'm gonna get emo here.
Let's not do that, guys.
Simply that, yeah.
Oh.
What else would you?
Well, it is mostly the emotional part for us. For me, what I miss was, my college, it's a small college. We have a small number of students as compared to MIT. So during Holi, like both the years, I saw everybody from my college just come together. We had seniors, we had juniors, we had second years, we had everybody, people you knew, people you just saw on the corridors. They all just came and played together as a family. Nobody was made to feel left alone. Means if you were in the ground, you were part of the family. And if you were feeling, left out, somebody would always pull you in. So it was
also
mostly the sense of belongingness that I miss. And plus, even strangers, like you don't know half your seniors or half your juniors, and they would still come and play with you because it's holy and nobody's left out on holy. I
That's
guess
very
it's the
sweet.
spirit of
yeah, and
togetherness.
if you're dry, and if you're really dry, then they'll also like put you in the mud.
Or they'll stand outside your
wherever you
hostel
are.
with a bucket of water and pour it on you.
Yeah, or throw balloons at you to just like even at
Balloons
KC,
for what?
they'd just be like gulal on the floor, and you just know ki, oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah.
yes, it's holy. Like this is
I
what
know,
it
right?
feels
That's like,
like.
chalo
And
holi
guard
ho raha
सीटी
hai.
मार रहा है कि निकलो.
And
Yeah.
in
I
this,
know. Oh, this incident happened once. Like I don't exactly remember it was first year or second year, but this guard came. He was with the CT, keep bhago bhago bhago. But apparently, some of the kids they had this like small. I don't know whether it was a bucket or a bottle or container of
I can
water.
see this.
They poured it from the first floor of SP
Oh
on
my
top
God.
of the guards. They were
F.
supposed to pour it on their heads, but unfortunately, the guard shoot them away, and it fell on the guard. Bro,
Oh,
we
shit.
ran. Everybody just ran.
run.
Even the people who were witnessing it just ran.
Guys, serious moment.
Bhagwan
We need
Mickey
to
Mouse.
say this. Almighty does not endorse.
Yeah.
Even I think none of the clubs endorse this as well.
Rotract or
Guys,
Almighty. No one.
respect people.
Yeah. This was a mistake. It was an honest mistake. You were trying to put it on your friends, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't
Yeah.
endorse
Exactly.
assaulting guards with water. So yeah, if that's
Don't
on
do
your
this.
mind,
They are hardworking people who keep
Yeah.
you secure and safe.
yeah, they're nice people. So yeah, just
Yeah.
respect to all the guards out there.
Right.
So yeah,
It just looks like Ocean is going to laugh just.
I know,
क्या
right?
बोल रहे हैं लोग?
So, like controlling कि like ये क्या बोल रहे हैं?
All of us feel much serious because this is important, and then we are all like,
Yeah.
No, I should be serious.
Oh, serious face like. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. So मैं कहाँ था? मैं distract हो गया वो guard वाले story से. It's
Understand.
great. At least you guys had fun. What I mostly miss about Holi is कि after you're done playing Holi with your friends वगैरह, you in whatever state you are, you clean yourself up a little bit and then you go to eat with your friends.
Oh
Then
yeah.
keep eating.
oh yeah, bro.
Definitely. We had a tradition of going to Apurva and we'd order like shitloads of food and just eat because you'd be so tired. I don't know why I didn't mention it. I'm stupid. I love the time when you just clean yourself up and you just eat. That's
Yeah.
it. That's
Just like
that's such a
vibe with
cool
your
part.
homies and eat.
Yeah.
For
I wanted to ask something like, how are you planning to celebrate? Like, that's the main question, right? Like, what are we doing this year? Is this how you're celebrating like this podcast?
Oh, it's Holi.
it's a whole
Ah.
special.
Like we've scooped down to this level
Yeah.
podcast.
So the way I'm celebrating Holi is I'll probably be editing this podcast.
I was going to say this,
Right.
and I would probably be
Good.
thinking
That
how to
was
share
very
it and all.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a very fun
What
Holi.
about you, Ocean?
Yeah. I actually, me and my friends were talking. We were thinking of like ordering a lot of food and wearing good clothes and just taking pictures and spending time together. With just some basic colors or
Wow.
something, not very
You
extravagant.
have friends who are negative? That's a
at
flex.
That's sure.
You guys are having friends?
Who are negative? Don't forget.
I have been very sad for the last of this, and it's been really sad. So let me have this moment now, since they're all negative.
That's
Negative
good. bro.
gang.
Negative gang.
What are you doing, Priyasha?
Holi. So I am gonna be spending my Holi in Bangalore, catching up on all my deadlines, all my assignments, calling up my parents, basically plotting how to get back to Ranchi from Bangalore with the least amount of trouble. And since I'm meeting my cousin, so hopefully some Holi drama, but let's see what happens.
She was
That's better.
My mom sent Gujia, by the way. It's gonna come in a few days.
So obviously I need to
Aw.
be near.
That's my flex.
Which block are you in? Just asking for research purposes.
Research purposes.
Extra information.
Yeah.
I'm in 13 block.
All right.
13 block. Oh, the longest
13
block.
block.
Okay.
I'm just gonna be standing outside the block,
Yeah,
you know,
it's the
just to
longest
intercept some
block.
packages. Just to, you know, inspect
It's okay,
them.
you
I
can
I
take
want
it.
to make
I'm
sure
okay with
nothing illegal gets inside. So yeah.
Yeah, I when we were young, we used to have all these fancy pitchkaris. Okay, we used to go to the shop. We used to be like, "Nahi, mujhe ye chahiye, ye
Alright.
chahiye, ye chahiye."
Oh,
Yeah.
And then the
that sounds
instant
amazing.
Chhota
we
Bheem
get
wali.
to the ground,
Let
instant
me
we
just
get
bring
to the
something.
ground.
One
Within
second.
5 minutes, the pitchkaris are like, "बस ऐसे छोड़ो, bucket पकड़ो, bucket, छोटा छोटा बाल्टी, mug."
This is all a
Pitchkaris
flex.
with this
Remember
end,
this?
this thing was this cut.
Oh
You guys
yeah,
Oh my
remember
God,
this?
man.
yeah, look at that.
What is that?
Fan
Is that like a
Bro,
fan?
this is basically you fill something, I
colors
guess.
वो करने के लिए.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
colors
fill something
छुड़ाने
in
के लिए.
this. Okay,
don't know
and
what
it's
it
like basically, I don't know if you can see this.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bottle, है ना? You screw it, then
You screw it, nice.
press this, and then यहाँ से पिचकारी निकलती है. When you do this. Aren't you still talking
Dude,
about
have you noticed, did you notice the evolution of pitchkaris? Like पहले वो ऐसे करने वाला, you know, you used to dip it in the
हाँ.
bucket and then you
हाँ,
just
भाई, बहुत
like, you know,
मेहनत लगती है इसको करने
put
में.
the water in and then you just like ऐसे ऐसे करके and then you started getting those pitchkaris like जिसमें वो एक tube लगा रहता था ऐसे करके and
the
then you used to
bottle
put water
puts
in it
वाला.
and
Super
then you
soakers.
spray.
You know the gun ones जिसके अंदर ऐसे वो
Dude, and then
full
now you have
हाँ.
yeah.
I've seen
Now you
kids
have
roaming
proper Ben 10 and Chota Bheem wala pitchkaris you have like
with
and
like
you know,
backpacks
there's a
for water and all.
competition among the guys. Yeah,
No,
oh
bro, it's
my
like
god.
extreme level. You remember
Yeah.
old
And then-
Northerners when you used to see they used to have backpacks,
Yeah,
क्या बोलते हैं, bulletproof vests and stuff. That's
No,
what
अभी तो-
Pichkari guns reminds me of these days.
But guys, let's be honest. 2021 में this is Pichkari.
yes, true.
Purell.
Yes.
Purell फेंको एक
Perfect.
सब पे.
Sorry.
Hey, Purell is foreign brand.
Arenjay, we only promote made in India, okay, Arenjay?
This is also a pitchkari.
Yeah, this is also. आधे तेरे रूम से उठाया है मैंने. So
Sanitizer OP.
all right then. So that brings us to an end of the podcast, guys. Did you enjoy it?
Definitely.
think
Now
it's
you're making me wish to like celebrate Holi. So yeah, I guess.
And
COVID.
Oh no.
COVID.
Oh no.
Bro, virtual transfer it.
हो गया.
Guys.
अबे but don't worry.
Guys,
Ion के
it's time to wear a mask.
Ion के through transfer भी नहीं होगा.
Buffering हो जाएगा बीच में.
हाँ बीच में गायब हो जाएगा.
allergy है.
Chalo then. So if you guys enjoyed the podcast, then please ask everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe because I just like saying that.
Definitely.
Right. Sure.
Yeah.
Someone needs
हाँ
to say
देख
that.
लेना कर देना क्या ही जा रहा है.
Hey, क्या
हाँ,
चल रहा है?
Pablo.
And also on a serious note, Ocean, Priyasha, do you guys want to talk about any of Rotrack's upcoming projects which you want people to know about?
We're actually planning a virtual run this time. It's a very different event and it's a long shot because we don't know what the scene will be in a few months. But we're planning to do this virtual run with an activist. Her name is Claire McFarlane. She's from Europe
Videshi.
and
औकात.
we're planning to do a virtual.
This is बहुत important है.
Yeah, we're doing it to raise awareness around sexual assault, sexual violence, and it's going to be a pan-India sort of an event, which it will also include some other things like a webinar or a self-defense workshop, and it's going to be in July, and it's going to be pan-India, so like you can join in from anywhere, and you can run, and you can buy t-shirts and stuff, and we're in the process of planning that, so we're very excited about it.
All right, guys, welcome to another segment of Holy Special of the Almighty Podcast. And this is the best segment because obviously second years. So with us to discuss their Holi ka nasha, we have Achyut Saxena and Kaushiki Agnihotri. Guys, namaste.
Hi guys.
Excuse me, where is your Sanskar? Please. Yes.
Namaste, namaste.
And it will be our co-host for this episode. Why not? आदित्य आप बताइए जयपुर में क्या चल रहा है?
जयपुर में तो सब सही चल रहा है, बस मणिपाल का ही है.
मणिपाल में तो भाई बहुत पॉजिटिविटी फैली हुई है, बहुत, इट्स अ वेरी
काफी।
पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर, सो लेट्स सी। Obviously this year we won't be, like पूरा last year की तरह कलर फेंको उसे पेल दो. So what do you guys think? What are you guys doing for Holi this year?
Okay, so my plans for Holi is पेरेंट्स मिठाई भेज रहे हैं, कुछ पैसे भेज दिए हैं. उसके अलावा नथिंग, रूम में बैठ के याद करना लास्ट होली. आई विल वॉच फोटोज ऑफ लास्ट होली एंड पानी को बचाएंगे, आंसुओं से खेलेंगे होली.
वाह, आंसुओं से तो हम लोग रोज होली खेलते थे.
इतना दर्द भरा आंसर दिया ना इसने यार. आंसुओं से होली खेलेंगे.
What about you, Kaushiki?
सेम वही, पैसे आ जाएंगे घर से, मिठाई आ जाएगी, मम्मा ने कहा पिज्जा खा लेना, दैट्स ऑल वी कैन डू.
Oh God.
Good idea.
So the
What's
thing
your
is
thing,
that
Ranjay?
the thing is that all of us are part of the negative gang, right? The people who tested negative.
Yeah.
पर लग रहा है कि हम लोग को आइसोलेशन में डाला है. ये पॉजिटिव वाले तो सब चिल मारेंगे अपने ब्लॉक में.
Actually, because positive are the happiest gang, because there are lots of them and वो सब मजे कर रहे हैं. वो उनकी लिस्ट आती है कि यार ये खाना भेज देना, ये जूस भेज देना, ये कुछ सामान चाहिए. They are enjoying a
And
lot. Block,
they can play
block
Holi as well, dude, क्योंकि और कोरोना तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
That's the peak they've reached. Nothing can go bad beyond that.
Yeah, so I mean in some retrospect it's a good thing for positive people. So positive gang, this rounds on you. But in general, as Achyut mentioned, he'll spend Holi reminiscing. क्या नशा हो गया? So he'll spend his Holi reminiscing about last Holi. So would you guys like to share what you guys did in Holi 2020? Any crazy messed up stories? Kaushiki, Achyut, Adit?
Okay, I'll go first. मेरी पहली होली थी, like the last year, probably the last one actually. But yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, like for the first time in my life, I played Holi. ऐसे दोस्त थे सब साथ में. We went on that ground. What's that called? Football ground, right? जिसमें गए थे last time.
Right.
And like there were colors and all. खाना वाना भी था, but no one really cared about that. But yeah, मतलब काफी मस्त था. Enjoyed a lot. Achyut, what about you?
मेरा scene was pretty same like every year. I did not celebrate Holi from 9th to 12th, but then college आके I released myself. 4 साल बाद होली खेला. लोगों को पानी के buckets थे and बड़े-बड़े pools kind of थे, तो उसमें फेंका. खुद भी गिरा उसमें. मेरी शर्ट फाड़ दी गई थी, तो like it was very interesting. Not a beach body, but like I liked it.
Achyut की शर्ट फाड़ गई, लड़कियां डाइस.
Oh, damn. Was expecting, but nothing happened. They did surely run away. So
Oh no.
yeah, that happened.
Oh, what
Other
about you,
than that, it was
Kaushiki?
nice. Yeah.
Same like again क्योंकि स्कूल में and then college JEE like 12th वगैरह तो फिर इतनी सेलिब्रेट नहीं करी थी. बट यहाँ के प्रॉपर वाइब था, बिकॉज लाइक एक तरफ खाना एंड पीना था, एक तरफ लाइक देयर प्रॉपर कलर सेटअप एंड देन दिस पूल काइंड ऑफ थिंग दे मेड. तो फिल्मी सीन नहीं होता कि लाइक इतना बड़ा सा ग्राउंड है एंड कोई एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, सिर्फ कॉलेज के लोग हैं जो सबको जानते हैं वहाँ पे एंड लाइक यू प्लेइंग सब कुछ लाइक अभी ऑर्गेनिक था. सो दैट वाज लाइक अ वेरी गुड होली दैट आई सेलिब्रेट लाइक in so long and काफी फिल्मी भी था because like सब कुछ था, खाना and like colors and then पानी.
Dude,
Feels
I'm
like-
so jealous. I'm so jealous of you guys. So like from my whole life, मेरा होली में क्या होता है कि मेरी मॉम मेरे को नीचे बुलाती है जस्ट कि शगुन का एक टीका लग जाए. फिर मैं नीचे जाकर फिर सारी इंडियन आंटीज मेरे को घेर लेती हैं, फिर सारी मोटी मोटी आंटियां कलर फेंकती हैं. So I was really looking forward to Holi in college this year, but sadly I was sick during Holi. और तब कोविड नया नया आया था मार्केट में, तो सब लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया था कि बाहर ही रहे थोड़े दिन. So yeah, so how I spent my Holi was I went exploring in park, फिर कहीं खो गए हम. So yeah, Holi was depressing. I was looking forward to Holi 2021, but लगता है कि ये होली भी अकेले घूमना होगा. So but other than that, guys, other than just the normal, the normal crazy shit everyone did, I saw सबका story, काफी दुख हुआ देखकर भी. Other than that, do you guys have any recollection of any other crazy shit which happened last year? Like कुछ भी.
I saw seniors running around without shirts, and that was very weird. And some people came in white dresses, like proper holy vibes. जैसे movies में होता है. They came in white kurta pajama, and it was pretty weird with all sunglasses, big sunglasses. I was like, okay. I saw two ends of the spectrum, like people running without shirts, all colored in purple, and then other people in white shirts celebrating very aesthetically, like ऐसे करके colors डालना and all. So it was pretty weird.
So I have a fourth year के भैया, so he had his project का presentation or something in Manipal in March. So he loves driving. तो वो क्या किए, वो मैंगलोर ड्राइव करके गए थे, वापस आए तो उन्होंने अपना गाड़ी का डिक्की खोला, टू फकिंग एशियन पेंट, नॉट इवन कलर्स, एशियन पेंट का पूरा डब्बा जो वॉल पे पेंट करने का होता है, 2 डब्बा रखा हुआ था. एंड ही इज लाइक, हम लोग होली सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं फार्म हाउस में, तू चलेगा? सॉरी बॉस. तो
एशियन पेंट से,
yeah, really not even joking, not like normal colors, Asian paint का पूरा डब्बा.
not sponsored
Don't
by
ask me
Asian
how
Paints,
that will come
but
out.
Asian Paints, if you want to sponsor, please contact.
Guys, my phone number is, मैं text कर दूंगा, please guys. गरीबी छाई हुई है, थोड़ा सा पैसा दे दो. So yeah, other than that, so guys, apart, so obviously you guys mentioned that you don't celebrate Holi at home, right? So there is no point in asking ki what was the difference between Holi at home versus in Manipal. But if you guys, do shabd, Achyut bhai, do shabd.
Yeah. So at home it's very pleasant. In the morning we have got that puja, havan वगैरह होता है, and वो होता है, and then उसके बाद some rituals are there with the thread and all, like क्या कुछ होता है, and then उसके बाद we have that raw peanuts का झाड़ होता है, if you know, then that is burnt a bit. उसके बाद
वो
वो
peanut नहीं होता.
Not peanut, it is some kind of nut, whatever.
उसका क्या नाम था, मैं खुद भूल गया.
होलिका दिन
सेम.
हाँ,
वही होलिका दिन एक रात पहले होता है, बट हम लोग अगले सुबह कर लेते हैं बिकॉज रात को सोना होता है. सो देन बॉडी ऑयलिंग जो घर पे प्रॉपर होती है यहाँ पे नहीं हुई थी, सो कलर्स वर मच परमानेंट ओवर हियर, सो बॉडी ऑयलिंग होती है. देन उसके बाद वहाँ फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, बट सिंस आई शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम माय होम टाउन, सो नो फ्रेंड्स दिस टाइम. घर पे थोड़ा बहुत कलर लगाना एंड देन जेई प्रेप करना, दैट वाज ऑल.
And what about you, Kaushiki? Like apart from JE का depression, how was घर की होली?
घर की होली was like very small and like low key कि मतलब घर में सबने कलर लगा लिया, फिर again as you said random aunties coming in like putting colors all over your body, smearing it. It gets very awkward. So other than that it becomes very small and like काफी low key, mainly पूजा के respect में होता है, but यहाँ was totally like
I wish it was just random aunties coming and like थोड़ा सा कलर लगा के जाते. मेरे यहाँ नहीं ब्रो, एक आंटी पीछे से हाथ पकड़ेगी ऐसे, दूसरी आंटी पूरा पेल देगी मुंह को. It's horrible. So yeah, I mean, and let me ask you guys this, do you guys have any holy traditions which you follow every year?
Till 9th it was shirt farna, which I continued in.
भाई तेरे को शर्ट से क्या ऑब्सेशन है?
Bro, like
मुश्किल मिलती है bro.
Like full body color होना चाहिए. That was my tradition and nothing else. Like tradition wise हर साल करना ऐसा such नहीं.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, no matter whichever color you put, at the end of the day you become blue and purple. चाहे कुछ भी कलर लगा लो, वो सिर्फ पर्पल और ब्लू ही निकलता है पूरी बॉडी से.
That is something I never understood. Like, why is it always this blue and purple?
मेरा तो
It's near to black for me.
Wow.
हाँ, बॉयज का थोड़ा एक्सट्रीम होता है, ग्रीस वीस होती है, उनके बाल सिल्वर हो जाते हैं, स्पाइक्स निकल आते हैं सिल्वर रंग की, शक्ल पूरी ब्लैक होती है एंड यू डोंट नो वो कौन है, एकदम से आके वो ग्रीसा करके वैसे आ जाता है. फीलिंग होती है, वो काफी वाइल्ड हो जाता है. बट इधर माय थिंग वाज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बस पूरी बॉडी पे कलर होना चाहिए, अगर नहीं है तो खुद लगा लिया, बट लाइक यू शुड बी फुल कलर्ड. रंग अगर 2-3 दिन तक नहीं जाए तभी प्रॉपर होली में नहीं है. लाइक किसी ने बोला था कान के नीचे लगा, दैट इज द परफेक्ट होली.
बट ना होली होता क्या है ब्रो, कलर हैज टू बी देयर. सो like last year or something, okay, when I was walking by football ground, तब मैंने देखा था कि मेरी एक दोस्त को 2 लोग पकड़ लिए थे They had like a very weird story. They had color in their hand and they were brushing her teeth with color.
I have seen this
Oh,
one.
okay.
It's weird, but I've seen this one.
Like,
I mean,
why?
कलर के नाम पे कुछ भी चल रहा है. Guys, next year will probably be our our last proper Holi with everyone in Manipal. So what are your plans? What is the craziest shit you're gonna do in 22 की Holi?
Permanent colors.
भाई मैं तो ला रहा हूँ, मैं एशियन पेंट ला रहा हूँ भाई मैंगलोर जाकर.
Permanent colors, for sure, permanent colors. And I don't know, maybe like water balloons in the hostel.
अच्छा, do you believe in Kaushiki's theory कि जब तक 4-5 दिन तक कलर नहीं जाते तब तक होली नहीं होती?
Yes, a lot. Like that's how you still like at least a week it should not go. Like till your parents are like they scrub it off your body. It's like yeah.
Why do your parents?
अरेंजे का एक्सप्रेशन, अरेंजे का
ए भाई
भाई ऐसे ही बता रहे हो मतलब हाथ
Like,
Please,
as in, not
please
literally,
answer
dude.
Kaushiki's question.
Dude, not literally. Kaushiki, not literally.
Yeah. So in retro, we are only the ones who are scrubbing it out. कोई third party की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes.
So the thing is, if you guys have celebrated your birthday in Block 17, right? You're ready for Holi. तब तेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि वैक्सीन में क्या है, क्योंकि ब्लॉक 17 में कुछ भी फेंक देते थे एक दूसरे के ऊपर बर्थडे में. I mean,
Like
girls block are a little more
Monday.
dignified, Kaushiki.
They are very sophisticated. Boys का मैंने एक दो वीडियोस देखी हैं, पूरा शर्ट वर्ट फाड़ के पूरा सिर पे like one of my friends and like उसकी पूरी body was covered and like कितनी weird सा उस पे केक चिपका हुआ है and body भी कुछ sexy beach body नहीं है यार, तो ज़्यादा
Oh no.
So you were looking out for a sexy beach body under the t-shirt.
But
Yeah,
girls
but-
hostel is like balloons लगा दिए, happy birthday and fairy lights लगा दिया,
Oh,
surprise
damn.
दे दिया. That is all we do. So
then
just-
Instagram photo.
Yeah.
The kind of Sharif birthday I wanted. पर नहीं, यहाँ पर तो इधर उधर फेंक रहे हैं, पिंग पोंग खेल रहे हैं लॉन्डो के साथ. Let's not go there. And yeah, as you mentioned, किसी के पास beach body नहीं है पर केक लगा हुआ है हर जगह. So yeah, we are prepared Holi.
And
कभी भी
हमारी
होली
Instagram वाली
करो.
photos नहीं होती है.
हमारी जो Instagram वाली फोटोज होती है bro, देखने लायक नहीं होती है. Yeah. So yeah, that pretty much brings us to an end of this podcast, I would say. Do you guys have any parting words for all our positive friends right now, Kaushiki and Achyut?
Yeah, stay positive in life and like survive Corona. Come back soon. I miss you guys. That's all.
सबसे पहला स्टेटमेंट तो बोल दे stay positive and like.
जैसे ही stay positive बोला, I was like भाई क्या बोल रहा है?
सूते पड़ेंगे
Wow.
लोगों को.
What about you, Kaushiki? कुछ words of
I am
motivation?
so surprisingly chill because पूरा ब्लॉक खाली है, मेरा रूम भी खाली है, तो मैं तो बड़ी chill life में हूँ कि रूममेट भी नहीं
Is
है.
your roommate positive?
Yeah, she's in block 7 right now. So
Who's your
it's
roommate?
actually Devani Goel.
Devyani.
Devyani.
Oh, Devyani was on the podcast.
गोयल हाँ हाँ.
Yeah, she was on the podcast.
Yeah, so Devyani, if you're watching this, stay positive, test
Shout out to
negative.
you.
Yes.
Shout out to you as well. Devyani, I've been practicing my dance moves, so like, yeah, please give feedback once you're negative again. All right, guys, so that brings us to an end of the podcast. Hope you guys enjoyed it, Kaushiki and Achyut.
Yeah, dude, very much.
All right,
It's
so
great experience. Love it.
yeah, so for all our friends out there as well, and for you both, stay positive, test negative, and once again, guys, a very happy Holi to all of you present over here.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi, guys. चलो, hopefully 2022 का Holi will be way better, but let's see.
Let's see.
All
उम्मीद पे
right.
दुनिया कायम है.
All right, guys, welcome to the segment of this Holi special in collaboration with Almighty and the Rotaract Club. This time we have a couple of first years with us, and From first year, we have Parv and Archita. So would you guys like to introduce yourselves real quick?
So, hey, I'm Parv. I'm first year from DOC, and it's my first time in Manipal. So I was waiting for Holi, but since the COVID, my all expectations just went on trash. Because I just expected that Holi would be great here. It's like people meet and do such a great must like craziness and all. So just my whole expectation went on trash.
Happens.
Okay. So hi, I am Archita Kotia and I belong from Jaipur. I completed my schooling from Jaipur and I am into writing and dancing at times. And I work as a content writer for my own feed on Instagram. And I'm pursuing media and communication first year from MIC.
What is the name of your page which you post your own stuff?
It's my own personal account. It's like Archita72. So I post my own writing.
We always appreciate like individual creators.
Thank you.
What do you write, Archita?
I am basically into creative writing. I write over diverse. I write a lot of stuff, diverse, not sticking to a specific topic.
First question, let me ask you guys, have you guys seen from your seniors or your like senior friends right now, have you guys seen how Holi normally looks at Manipal?
I've heard a lot about Holi in Manipal because my brother studied over here, and then few of my dad's colleagues, friends and relatives, they study over here. So they always told me like the Holi in Manipal, it's pretty exciting and wild.
I hope all good things. It's not like nothing bad.
No, all good.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What about you,
I samajh gaya. I heard nothing till now. Neither my cousins or my real brother and sister just study here. So I'm just waiting for it, but COVID just crashed it.
But after seeing how long have you been in Manipal right now, Parv?
Around 1 month.
1 month. तो एक महीना यहाँ पे रहकर what are your expectations? Like तूने मणिपाल देखा है कैसा होता है, तो तेरे को क्या लगता है, how will the Holi in Manipal be?
Like a bit wild, like not a gully Holi, like a bit of much, like all the seniors and the first day enjoy a lot, use a lot of
define
colors
wild.
And just party. Like craziness.
Crazy. Define
like full
craziness.
Of craziness. Itna detail.
Okay.
Like craziness, like just tearing up t-shirts and painting colors all over the body and that mad stuff.
You know, the mad stuff, only all wild, go out.
Yeah.
You only live one
mad
step.
Stuff. Yeah.
Nice. And what about you, Archita? Are your expectations also like wild?
It's only been 2 weeks since I've been here, but then ever since I've been down, it's pretty lively. So, and I have been this person who plays Holi not once in a year. I play Holi consecutively 2 days. So I am a person who plays Holi in a very energetic form, and then I expect tankers and everything over here in Holi. So for me, it's like a totally different image of Holi over here.
Jaipur has like all full dal bati churma scenes during Holi as well, right?
Jaipur, it's like I celebrated Jaipur. I have been celebrating Holi in Jaipur for the last 5 years. Otherwise, we have been celebrating abroad. So we used to have Holi celebrated consecutively 2 days. And it was very addicting for us. We had exams, but still we used to go to celebrate Holi. And in Jaipur, it's been a different thing. Like we had all those stalls and relatives come over our place. So in Jaipur, it's been a different thing. But then again, it's crazy over there.
Yeah. So from your Holi memories, guys, what is the wildest thing you have done in Holi so far? And पर्व तो भाई पिछले 1-2-3 मिनट से वो बोले जा रहा है कि wild crazy होना चाहिए. So in your Holi's you've played so far, what is the wildest thing you've done?
Beaten 3 people.
भाई होली है भाई, गुंडागर्दी नहीं करना होता है.
मेरे को बहुत मारा था यार, बर्थडे था.
Why? Oh, तेरा बर्थडे होली पे था?
Last year, complete circle of life.
Damn. बर्थडे
लास्ट
बम्स
ईयर
एंड
था
होली
10th
कलर
मार्च
साथ में.
को, खून निकाला था, इसीलिए मैंने भी थोड़ा कर दिया रिटर्न गिफ्ट पे.
So basically like what, कलर में फेंक दो फिर उसे खूब पेलो और फिर बाहर निकलो. Then
झुलाया, लाते मारी, कलर बॉडी के अंदर गया, केक मारा, अंडे, चप्पल, बेल्ट, जो मिला वो.
oh भाई, so he's a
Oh,
very efficient beater.
and
जो मिलता है उसे लेकर मार दो. What about you, Archita? I'm hoping your holies are a little less
yes,
violent.
when we were living abroad, there was this temple like half an hour from our place, and we used to have these tankers and everything. So we were those kids. We used to put the people in the tanker, and then we used to play Holi over there. Like they were pretty huge containers over there to play Holi.
Mhm.
So my Holies have been totally different from yours.
Damn. So
न्यू एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा.
yeah, so I'll just burst your bubble, guys. So Parv, there is no Mara PT in Yagi Holi. T-shirt we should फाड़ते हैं, but like nobody, you know, like belt, अंडा, चप्पल सब लेकर मारना नहीं होता है. We just like
अरे बर्थडे था इसीलिए मैं पिटा.
I haven't celebrated Holi in the past 2 years because last year I had my eco exam for my boards, and this year again it was like different. But then again,
मैं
when I
पढ़ के
came,
होली खेलने गया था.
this year तो हमें कोरोना ने हैप्पी होली बोल दिया ब्रो.
कोरोना ने बोल दिया.
God no. But then again, I was expecting something. I really don't think that we'll be celebrating Holi over here this year.
Nah.
So
I also don't.
see, so but Holi over here is nice, guys. You have a lot to look forward to next year. It's like lots of colors, and from what I've seen, I haven't played much, but मैं देखा colors और like लोग एक दूसरे को पूरे you know like containers में डाल देते हैं, और गंदा पानी होता है उसमें, कीचड़ वाला पानी होता है, and like for days after Holi your whole body will be covered in colors, and it's
वही तो मजा है.
ये वही तो मजा है, not gonna lie. मजा बहुत आता है उसमें, but थोड़ा हालत भी टाइट होती है. It's nice, it's fun, it's something to look forward to. It's a whole new experience, you know, because everybody over there, you know them, and सब साथ में मजे कर रहे हो. बहुत पार्टियां होती है मणिपाल के अराउंड. तो what are your expectations from 2022? क्या करने वाले हो होली पे?
मारा पीटी के अलावा सब कुछ.
I remember that there was this one scene from Ye Jawani Ab Diwani. If you have watched it, there was this one scene of Holi. I pictured my Holi as such for 2022 in Manipal.
So funnily
Something
enough,
like
they were playing Balam Pichkari last year.
that is like a constant song that these days they play for Holi.
Yeah. So don't worry, you will. So Holi in Manipal is a lot like that. Like you throw colors at you. बहुत मजा आता है. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I wish you all the best for your college life. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Just COVID को थोड़ा mellow रखते हैं हम लोग. Wear your mask, guys. Block 17, 16 की इसमें COVID party नहीं चाहिए. So just
मैं बहुत दूर हूँ.
Wear your mask. Let's follow social distancing वगैरह. We'll have a very chill campus life by June, July. Hopefully. I'm just praying for that. So yeah, so happy Holi to all the first years out there. Archita, Parv, would you guys also like to wish everyone a happy Holi?
Happy Holi to everyone.
Stay safe.
Yeah. Happy Holi, guys. And did you guys enjoy the podcast, Archita, Parv?
I loved it. I honestly loved it.
Great. All right, guys. Thank you for coming. Bye.